Okay, so Venkat, I started recording, and let me thank you for your time you have given me today for recording your interview experience of Vizag Steel. So Venkat, all I know about you is you are from electrical engineering background and you have just appeared for Vizag Steel interview.
Yes.
And you're from Andhra Pradesh, so for you, Vizag Steel is a very prestigious public sector. It was earlier. So I want first you to tell Venkata about your background, in which I want you to tell when did you graduate in electrical engineering, from which college, and what after that did you write GATE and all. So what is your journey in GATE, if you want to share that, and when did you write this Vizag Steel exam, and then I will come to the interview part.
Okay. Sir, I'm from Andhra Pradesh, sir. I did my BTech in 2017. I have completed in 2017. From then, I have tried for GATE for almost 3 years till now. Every time at start for 2 years, I have not been qualified also. After that, I have qualified but not with a good rank. And in 2020, I have given this Vizag Steel plant, and luckily I have got good marks, and as well I have listed in the interview. And recently interview was also done, and it also went very well.
Okay, so that I will come to interview part little later, Venkata. First, you tell me, you have written GATE 3 times, as you said. So yes, can you tell me GATE first time what was the score, GATE second time what was the score, and what was before that? I want to know what was their CGPA in college.
Sir, in my CGPA in college was 7.19, sir. Okay. In my first attempt, I was not qualified in GATE. I've got I think it were just 18 marks, I guess, sir. I've not prepared as also at that time. Okay. I've just given like every other student was giving. So I was not aware that much of exams like that. I was always focused in state PSU, state exams at that time. And when I get to know that GATE exam is also there for opportunities, so I have started giving that. In my second attempt also, I have qualified, but very 2 marks. I've just qualified at that time. And in my third attempt, I got 51 marks. In 2019, recently, in my last attempt also, I've got 47 marks.
Okay. Venkata, what is your category? Can you tell me that also?
So I'm from scheduled caste, sir.
Okay. SC. So 51 scheduled caste, so you must have got some options. Did you explore those options or not? What was your GATE score? What was your GATE score?
Sir, at that time, that paper was too easy, sir. Almost maximum people have got about 98, 97. So GATE score was too low for that marks at that time. I have applied for some exams as well, but I didn't get any opportunities.
But what was the GATE score? GATE score, can you tell me? Highest GATE score?
Sir, I don't remember. This time it is around 453, sir.
453 pay, I want to tell you, like 434 pay. Yesterday I was interacting with one of the student. He got call from NITI Bombay in SC community. So SC category mein he got from NITI Bombay 434 pay. So why I'm telling you all this, because maybe you could have got admission in NITs, IITs and all with this score also. I think you did not use it.
Yes, sir. Since my
goal was to get into
financial. No, sir. At present, I was looking for jobs, sir, to assist my family in terms of financial as well. They were waiting, so I don't want to go for another more 2 years for PG courses. That's why I waited for.
Understood. So I've come to know your Vizag Steel exam. When did you write this exam, and what was the pattern of this exam?
Sir, I have applied. I have written in 2020, sir. In December 13th, I remember, sir. The pattern was like for total it was for 200 marks, sir. For 100 marks, there were technical questions, and for other 100 marks, they were non-technical. Of total, what the key they were given, I have got 155 marks.
155 out of 200.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Out of 200. According to the latest keys, the latest response sheet, what they have provided.
That must be very good in even in your category. If I tell out of 200, 155 must be very good, right?
Yes, sir. I believe.
And what was the questions, level of questions in Vizag Steel?
So in terms of technical, that was medium, sir. I can say easier to medium, sir. They were not at all tough. Some questions were they have misprinted as well. They have provided marks to everyone for that questions. And in coming to non-technical, aptitude was a bit tough. Reasoning was a bit tough, sir. English was very easy, and reasoning is also at a medium levels.
So there was Venkata, there was negative marking or something also there or no?
No, sir. There were no negative marking.
So no calculator allowed and no negative marking, huh?
Yes.
So this paper is entirely different from paper like GATE and all, right?
Yes, sir. If GATE is somewhat at higher level, sir, I believe. This was at medium level, I can say.
Good. So now let's come to Vizag Steel interview. So please tell me in detail about how was the interview, and in that what I expect is like how it all started, how many people were there, so how many were asking you question, so which subjects they asked you, HR questions, non-HR question, whatever you remember clearly, because student must be listening it and they want to know, like you are also students, so they want to know like what kind of questions are asked, and whatever you want to share with them, Venkata.
Okay, sir, definitely. My interviews was dated on 6th April, sir, in the morning at first slot at 8 a.m. When I went there, almost I have seen like 20 to 30 students were almost there, are already there. I was in the list. They have listed the students in the order. They have mentioned first category wise. So my category was on first list, and I was in the third of that list, sir. First of all, I have document verification. In that I haven't taken some documents as well. They have asked for that, so I have said to them that I will provide in future if you provide permission. So they have taken my consent also. Then after taking my biodata forms and other Xerox copies from me, they were sent to the interview panel as well. At a time they were calling 2 people for the interview. From the main hall to the document to the interview room, there was another room. Were taking two students to there, and at there they were giving 2 options for us, like to choose 2 slips were there, sir. Like they have written A and B in them. We were asked to select one slip, and I was the first called to take the slip, sir. I got the A panel. There were 2 panels, A and B. I got the A panel. In that A panel, there were 6 members, sir, actually. One lady interviewer, and rest of them were men. When I went there, they started with the HR question, and at first they straightly asked me to introduce yourself, and after that the main interview member asked me why. What were you doing from 2017? Like you have been unemployed from 4 years. He himself said like, okay, we will take 1 year out of this as everyone were in homes like due to the pandemic situation. So I can say why you have been idle for 3 years. So then I said, sir, I have been preparing for government exams and I have given GATE exam as well. So he was not compromised with that. He said like you should have taken some software jobs or any other job. Not only this public sector units GATE, there are other jobs which are said to be job. They are at certain level. You could have taken them, and you could have improved from there. So I have said like no, sir, I have been waiting for some better position. Even though he was not compromised at all for that. I said like I was close to some exams as well in last exams as well, but I didn't listed in anywhere. Finally, at all, he was never compromised. So he left. Okay, we'll go for next interview. We'll go for another person, sir. He was given for next member. Then he has asked me what I have written in my biodata form. They have asked about my industrial training, which I have done in my diploma. My whole interview was on industrial training only, sir. Just one question from my BTech main project, and totally my interview went on industrial training, which I have done in transformer troubleshooting. So first member asked some questions which are related to transformers. What are the protection schemes, like what are the main parts, what are the main protection schemes, and why these parts are using. I have explained them. One question I guess from first interview member I have not answered, and he was given and then he given to the next member. And lady interviewer asked why about my BTech project, and two members have asked about my BTech project, what I have done, and which software I have used, like that. Everyone have asked only just one question for me. So they have my interview was just I believe 12 minutes or 10 minutes, like that. A panel was giving very less time for students actually. And finally, another HR question was like the work culture will be very hectic in Vizag steel plant. Are you able to manage these things, like that? Okay, I have given my answer to them. They said okay. Then we will have, okay, you can leave that. Just I think around 12 to 13 questions I guess I remember.
So you could not convince them with the gap, huh? The gap.
Yes, sir. I have said a lot of answers, sir, but it was not at all compromised with it.
So they did ask any question related to Vizag Steel?
No, sir. I was not asked any question about Vizag Steel, sir. I have expected from them, but they have not asked. And about Vizag Steel, at first interview, I said like, why you want to join this? It is very work will be very hectic here. You can get any other job which is more easier compared to the Vizag Steel plant. You can choose another one from Vizag Steel plant, like that. Yes, sir. I have answered for that also. Yeah, I can say that first person was not compromised with my answers. First HR question.
First HR. So yes, technical round went okay for you, right?
Yes, sir. So technical, I have answered almost all of the questions, sir. They were very supportive as well. Second interviewer who has asked about my industrial training, that person has asked about different types of transformers which are used in which are used in industrial training. I have said some of them, and I didn't say some of them. He himself remembered me and asked about their working as well. And I explained that also, sir. My technical interview was good, sir, at that time. Compared to that first question was, I have faced some problem.
Chalo, anything else, Venkata, you want to add?
No, sir. I'm waiting for this result, sir, actually.
Okay. We wish you all the very best, and I'm very sure you will get selected into this, Venkata. Our best wishes are there with you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.